All right, let's go ahead and finish this site out with a nice looking footer. So to do that, well, first I want to change back this educator. Save that. Take out educator. Go over here, reload the page, make sure everything looks good. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now for the footer. Well, first off, we're going to take out that horizontal rule. Now, let's go ahead and grab this image here. Save image as. We'll just say, we'll go ahead and copy this and save it here in the images. And instead of this paragraph here, we're going to have the image, source, still in that index file. So let's go ahead and say images and save that. Let's see what the site looks like over here. Beautiful. All right, so you can barely see the image down in here. So let's go ahead and style this footer here. And one thing I forgot to do is to actually wrap this in a container. So div class equals container, and we're not putting it in the footer here, in this div. So we could say class container here, but we're going to be making that footer have a certain background color. We want it to go all the way to the edges, so we're going to wrap the div class container with the footer. And this footer HTML tag here is just like saying div class footer, and HTML5, since footer is so common in websites, they made it its own HTML element. So we have that. Save it. Let's reload the page over here, and now you see it. This image is now in line. And so let's come down here, and we want to give it a background color of our F74 C3C color. And let's give it a padding top of, let's give it 150 pixels, padding bottom 30 pixels. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and copy this. Come over here, footer, paste, indent these, save it. And nice. So it looks good. The only problem we have is this little whiteness down here, and where that's coming from is body, padding bottom. So let's remove this line, save it, reload the page, and nice. Congratulations. We have our first website.